Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this icon with this circle and some radio waves coming from it, and it's basically just a hotspot. So by tapping it, you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name here, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its IP band, or you can't actually. You can display a QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. You can use it for tethering, like for USB tethering or Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.